Hi everyone, welcome to Informatica. My name is Utkarsh Srivastav, and in this video we will talk about how to onboard new created native users in domain to enterprise data catalog using the system resource which is named as domain users resource. The agenda of this video will be to create native users. How do we create those native users in admin console? How then we onboard the user in EDC after once it is created, and about domain users resource, which is a system resource. So let's talk about domain users. What is domain users? So it is an internal system that synchronizes Informatica domain users between the Informatica domain and data catalog. So one can configure some settings of the resource based on the requirements you have to configure, or any resources that you create. So below are those. One is modify the memory required to run the resource, assign custom attributes to the resource, modify the schedule for the resource. So let's move into the demo part of the same. So I have already logged into the admin console using the administrator credentials. So let's go to security tab in the admin console. Under security tab we have users, groups and roles. Under users we have native and LDAP. So we have some native users already present. Let's create one native user. And the mandatory field for creating a user will be login name, password and full name. So let's give a login name to this user. Let's say ABC user. Let's give the password and infa user new. You can also provide an email and a phone, which is an optional. So let's go ahead and create this infa user new. So this user will be now added to the domain, and we can see under native user as ABC user. So let's go and onboard this particular user to the enterprise data catalog where we can log in. But before that, we know that we have to trigger a domain users resource which will onboard this particular resource. So I've triggered a domain user using the run, and this is again system resource. You can always go to library, under library move to resources, and under resources we will always find the users system resource which is domain users, and we can see that after triggering the domain users it's running and the metadata load has been completed. Now moving forward, we will go ahead and onboard this users using this domain users to data catalog and try logging using the newly created credentials. We can see the resource has already completed. Now as we have created a user with the credential as ABC user login name and password, so we will try logging into the catalog. ABC user, password as and we see that we will be able to log into the enterprise data catalog. And now we can also have our credentials which can create login users into administrator. So I have also attached some reference articles and KB articles plus documentation for the same. One can refer to them using these links. And for your feedback, please head towards supportvideos@informatica.com and the Twitter handle of Informatica. Thank you.